This is the last time I'm vying for president in Uganda. I will never vie again after 2026. So I urge all Ugandans to come out in large numbers and vote for me for the very last time. I have few projects that I want to finish.
Recently, a TikTok video of Uganda's President Yoweri Museveni claiming that 2026 will be his last term went viral. The video spread quickly across social media, specifically TikTok, with many believing that the president had made a historic announcement. But is it real? In this video, we investigate the truth.
This is the last time I'm vying for president in Uganda. I will never vie again after 2026. So I urge all Ugandans to come out in large numbers and vote for me for the very last time. I have few projects that I want to finish.
At first glance, the video looks authentic. The words, the voice, the delivery all seem like something the president could say. To investigate further, we ran the transcript through AI analysis tools. The response. The transcript alone does not contain any technical or visual clues, so it cannot confirm whether the video is AI generated. In other words, just reading the words or hearing the speech does not tell us if the video is real. A deeper technical analysis is needed. We decided to perform a deeper scan using multiple AI detection platforms. Here is what we found. Avatarify says no deep fake detected 3%. Deepware suspicious 70%. Safer Backoff deepfake detected 99%. Ensemble deepfake detected 97%.
This is the last time I'm vying for president in Uganda. I will never vie again after 2026. So I urge all Ugandans to come out in large numbers and vote for me for the very last time. I have few projects that I want to finish.
The results are clear. The video is highly likely to be AI generated. In particular, the ensemble and safer backup scans indicate near certainty that the content is a deep fake. This is not just an AI detection result. Trusted international fact-checkers, including AFP, have also confirmed that the video is doctored. According to AFP, video of Uganda's Yoweri Museveni saying 2026 presidential bid will be his last is doctored. This confirms our findings. The viral TikTok video circulating online is not real. Videos like this often go viral because they play on people's hopes, fears, or expectation. A statement like 2026 will be my last term is newsworthy and emotionally charged, making it easy to spread without verification. Remember, even short clips lasting a few seconds can be convincingly faked using AI. It is becoming increasingly difficult to trust videos solely based on what they show or sound like. When you encounter viral videos, check if established news outlets or fact checkers have verified the content. Look for visual or technical clues using AI detection tools. Avoid sharing content until it has been confirmed by reliable sources. Doing these simple steps can stop misinformation from spreading further. Despite how real it looks, the viral Museveni TikTok video claimed 2026 will be his last term is fake. Always fact check before believing or sharing content online. Remember, fact check, verify, and share responsibly. Subscribe for more verified news and fact checks. Don't fall for deepfakes.